So here's the beginning of the trail. It's already kind of steep, honestly. This is just the pavement, the asphalt. The actual trail begins after you pass that fence, but majority of the trail is just asphalt. There's also different routes, like actual dirt routes, but I got these shoes and these don't really have good grip. A little bit out of breath due to my freaking jiu-jitsu classes. So yeah, pretty much it though. Look, a little man bag, my fanny pack. But yeah, that's the starting trail. So this is the beginning of the trail. It's pretty steep. I don't really think you could tell, but they have these nice, well, not really nice, but they got these palm trees. You see the dirt road over there? That's one of the trails you could take instead of taking this, but we don't have good shoes on today, so I'm not gonna be doing that. But it's a nice area. They have a bunch of trees, and yeah, I didn't bring any water. I decided to just drink it all. I had a little bit left, so hopefully that's good enough. So that's the trail I was telling you guys about. It's a little steep. Got people behind running, but you guys really can't tell on camera how steep it is, but it's pretty steep. I did that trail, I got to the top right here, and I came back down because at the time I wasn't comfortable doing stuff like that. I have a little phobia of heights, so I just came back down. And coming back down was actually a little harder because you know, you could slip and fall, and you could do that going up too, but I feel like going down you fall a little bit faster. I mean, I don't think that makes sense, but I'm tired. Look at this greenery. But yeah, this is where it starts. I think I've done like a quarter of the hike. This is one of the hikes that I always do. I used to do this once a week last year, but I went back to school and I never really did it again because of school. But now that I'm done with school, I'm trying to get back in the habit of doing these hikes. But they have like pretty cool stuff, like this little thing right here. This could be another trail. This is a little flat ground area where people could just take a break, just chill. Super flat, easy to walk around. It's so nice. There's also a waterfall somewhere. I'll see if I can grab it on video. Well, I'll be damned. Yeah, can't really zoom in that much on GoPros, but I hope you guys can see it. I hope you guys can hear it. Sounds nice and refreshing. Oh, look, a lizard. Hello, buddy. There's the camera. I mean, there's a waterfall. You also have this little cool area, which I'm not going to be going over. Oh, look, another lizard. For this part of the hike, we're going to make like a whole U-turn and start walking up that direction. So we just came over the hill. This is where the bees are going to be at. For some reason, they're in that box over there, those little boxes. There's some right here flying next to me, so yeah. That's been there to my knowledge for about 3 years, maybe longer, but I'm not sure why they have that. My hair looks stupid, but I don't care. But that's all I've hiked and going over. We still have a little bit left to go. I would say I'm like halfway there. So we're almost at the top. Look at that scenery. Pretty tired. We're almost there. This is another trail, I believe. Once we get to the top right here, that should be all. You're imagine the fucking lion comes out of nowhere. It'd be crazy. Yeah. Look at that scenery. Then we have a few hiking trails here. This one, and this one right here. It's pretty nice. Got some people over there. And that's not connected. Well, it is, but that's as high as you get right there. I've done this before, but I'm not doing it today. It kind of leads you nowhere, but it's so cool. Yep. So I've been here for a few minutes, but just to see the fuck. Okay. 30 minutes, it's not too bad, but I kind of took my time to show the camera some stuff. I think I got it done once in like 15 or 20, but I wanted to kind of enjoy the experience. But that's pretty much it for the hike. Probably not going to record on the way down, but yeah, this is going to be a veterans hike in Somar if you live in the Los Angeles area or San Fernando Valley. That's pretty much it.